Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix if you can't access ChatGPT because you get this error 1020 code and you see that ChatGPT access is denied. Alright, so if you cannot open ChatGPT, so chat.openai.com, and you always get this message error 1020 access denied, here's what you have to do. So there are two methods that worked for me. So the first one is a free method, so this is the one that you should try out first. All you have to do is basically clear the cookies of your ChatGPT account and the website that is associated with ChatGPT. And I'm going to show you this method using Google Chrome, but this also works in any other web browser you're currently using. So all you have to do is open up the settings page on Chrome, then on the left click on privacy and security, then select cookies and other site data, then scroll down to see all site data and permissions, and in the search field search for OpenAI, because this is the website that is powering up ChatGPT. And once you search for openai.com, as you can see, there are more than 24 cookies associated with openai.com. And if you want to get rid of this error 1020 or error 1020 code, access denied ChatGPT error code, all we have to do is click on the remove openai.com, and this will clear all the cookies that are associated with our OpenAI account. This means that if we open up chat.openai.com, now we will arrive at the login page and we have to click on login to be able to access ChatGPT without the error 1020 code. If clearing your OpenAI cookies didn't work, or after using this method and you use ChatGPT again, you again get this code and you don't want to always clear your cookies, the surefire way to get rid of this error is to use high quality VPN service. And the one I'm recommending is ExpressVPN, because based on my experience it works great for ChatGPT without any technical errors. The second reason is that you can try it out for 30 days, absolutely risk-free, because if you don't like it or you end up not using ChatGPT, if you cancel your subscription, you can get all your money back. Last but not least, if you use the link in the description below and click on start your trial today, you're going to be able to claim 3 months off of their ExpressVPN subscription and save some money. All in all, it's a cheap subscription, a couple of bucks per month, but you're going to be able to use it for ChatGPT, Netflix, or any other way. So it's really useful, especially if you're traveling or also if you're in a country where ChatGPT is not available. But all in all, these are the two methods you should try out to troubleshoot or fix if you get this ChatGPT 1020 error code access denied. And in most cases, you should be able to access, after doing these methods, ChatGPT without any technical issues.